How to reverse image search on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google application on your phone. Once you are on the main page, tap the camera icon located on the right side of the search bar. This will open Google Lens, which is a powerful visual search tool. Google Lens allows you to search for what you see, get things done faster, and understand the world around you by just using your camera or a photo. From the Google Lens interface, select the image you want to search for from your phone's photo library. The app will then automatically begin analyzing the contents of the image. After a few moments, the search results will be displayed on your screen. You can view an AI-generated overview, find visually similar images, and explore related search terms to learn more about the subject of your photo. Following these steps, you can easily reverse image search on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.